Okay, so when you open your document, remember you open the one with your name on it. And when you open it, you see that is a black background. That means that you have a PDF, and it shows you have a PDF here as well. You want to open with Annotate with Kami. And when it loads, what you will see is that this document has been saved to your drive. So the good thing about assigning documents through PowerSchool is that it automatically makes a copy of everything in your drive. And then what Kami will do is everything that you've put on your document, it will save it. So then we go down and then we see our first question. We're going to make a text box. And so we start the text box. Okay, and then let's say you want to use the pen on something. Okay, we want to fill this in with the pen. Relative charge is 1 minus, relative mass is 0. And then what you see at the top, what's happening is that it is saving everything in Google Drive. So let's look at the top while I'm annotating here. It says 1 plus, and then we see here saving changes. It was really quick, but it does save the changes in Google Drive. Have faith that it's saving the changes. Do not export it into a PDF. You don't need to do that because when you are done with this, you have to go back to PowerSchool and hand in your work. So then when you go to hand in, you want to attach from Google Drive, and then you want to find it because it's not here. Review. Okay, there it is, Unit 3 review. And then you want to hand it in. And even though you can't see it right away, it does save those changes. It just takes a little bit of time in order for Kami to catch up with Google. So everything is there, and then as soon as you hand it in, you're done.